Catch you now, man.
I wish for me there. I want.
Are you who I want, boy?
Whoa. Yo, man, I'm the pan right there, son, but me not the pan.
Hey, boy, shut your mouth, boy. You think a joke thing I go on, sir? This is a serious investigation. So you been a chop the line.
Chop the line? Me? We're afraid of trouble so much. Me chop the line? No one on me, sir. No, me.
Boy, chop the line to me. We investigate for months now. We have full records.
I think that me a good honest youth. Me let them something.
Take a seat off your face. Read them words to me in your best voice, boy.
Yeah, police. Alright. Well, howdy there, Mr. Sinclair.
Bruh.
I'm calling from the Latchy sweepstake to let you know you just won for yourself $1 million in a
See
brand
there?
new
You've been a choppy line. Easy, you give away yourself, you know.
Every Jamaican sound, so when they tell them to chat good and they want to speak, you spoke. Me don't chat no line.
Well, you have a pint still, you have a pint.
No, me don't
But
chat
you're
no
still a choppy line, boy. Oh, you account for all of them phone call, yeah.
Call?
Yes, boy. Phone call. You think we would catch you? Pam May 1st, 35-minute call to New York. Pam May 3rd, 45 minutes call to New York. Pam May 13, 1 hour and 45-minute call to New York. You love New York.
Oh!
You been a choppy line.
I'm a girlfriend, me did not call, I didn't chat no line, I'm a girlfriend.
Girlfriend. I don't take a choppy line now.
I'm an honest credit me use, me don't chat no line.
So how come you have credit for you make so much call and you nah work?
Well, a ding.
Ding? Hey boy, don't mix up ravers in your
No,
foolishness.
it's true, a ding, and that me I talk about, you don't know what ding.
What kind of ding you talk about?
Ding are the fastest way we transfer credit from Friday come to Jamaica, and no chap no line.
Really?
No chap no line.
Okay.
She used the discount code Dextazlab 75, so she saved 75% of the first time she used it.
Okay.
So guess what? She make her mother send credit to me. She make her auntie, her uncle, her father, her grandmother, her brother, everybody use it for the first time and send credit to me. That's why I have so much credit and me can chat so long to my girlfriend and foreign.
So you really not choppy line. Okay.
So alright, since you confirm, say me not chop no line on them something. Who they can let me go
Yeah,
now?
man, you, me understand. Me believe and me agree. But you can't leave until we figure out where that dirty doodoo set they come from. Cause that never in here before me and you come in here. And I know me.